Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a grooming product designed specifically for men, the Bevel Beard Trimmer, Gold Edition. This is a cordless, rechargeable trimmer aimed at delivering precise beard and mustache styling with professional barber quality features. Since it's a men's grooming tool, my husband helped me test this one out, so you'll get an honest, practical perspective from a guy who actually uses it. Right off the bat, the Bevel Beard Trimmer stands out with its sleek gold cordless design, which definitely adds a touch of sophistication to any grooming kit. It boasts an impressive 8-hour rechargeable battery life, something that promises uninterrupted trimming sessions without the frustration of constant recharging. For anyone who values convenience and power, that's a solid feature. The trimmer also features a tool-free adjustable zero-gap blade. This means you can fine-tune the blade spacing yourself to get ultra-precise cuts, whether you're shaping a beard or cleaning up a mustache. It's a detail that pro barbers appreciate because it allows for sharp, defined lines without pulling or irritation. Now, in real-world use, my husband found the trimmer's ergonomics comfortable. It felt well-balanced in the hand, and the cordless design gave him freedom to maneuver easily around tricky angles. The battery life did live up to its claim. After a full charge, he was able to use it multiple times over several days without needing to plug back in. That's a definite plus for anyone who prefers a hassle-free grooming routine. The zero-gap blade adjustment worked smoothly and provided excellent control. He was able to create clean, crisp edges on his beard and mustache, which is crucial for a polished look. The motor was quiet but powerful enough to handle various hair textures without snagging. On the downside, some users with very coarse or thick facial hair might find they need multiple passes, but that's typical for trimmers in this category. One minor drawback to note is the absence of a variety of guard lengths included. If you like switching up your beard length frequently, you might need to invest in additional guards or attachments. The trimmer's focus is clearly on precision edging and detailing, not bulk trimming. As for value, the Bevel Beard Trimmer sits at a premium price point, justified by its build quality, battery longevity, and the precision features tailored for serious grooming enthusiasts. Compared to other high-end trimmers, it holds its own in both design and functionality. If you're used to more basic trimmers, this upgrade could be worth the investments, especially if you care about clean lines and long battery life. In terms of build, the gold finish isn't just for show. It feels sturdy and durable, with a solid weight that doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. For a tool designed for daily use, that's reassuring. Although we didn't have to contact customer service, Bevel as a brand is known for responsive support, which adds peace of mind. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, some brands offer cordless trimmers with adjustable blades, but they often compromise on battery life or build quality. For the precision and lasting power this bevel trimmer offers, the price is fair, especially for men who want a grooming tool that doubles as a professional-grade barber's instrument. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Bevel Beard Trimmer Gold Edition is a sleek, high-performing tool for men who value precision and durability in their grooming routine. It's best suited for those who want sharp edges and clean detailing without the fuss of frequent recharging. If you're a man serious about your beard or mustache upkeep, this trimmer definitely delivers. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to get your own Bevel Beard Trimmer is in the description below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and share your experience. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.